When choosing a tabletop, what matters most to you? At Lumbergran, we believe real quality starts with the wood. Whether it's epoxy river or natural wood, we keep the wood with richer color and stronger density, but choosing better wood is only the beginning. For larger tabletops, we also keep the right thickness because it helps the table hold its form through years of everyday use. While many tabletops on the market range from 0.75 to 1.5 inches thick, we usually start with wood cut at 2.6 inches. After drying, planing, sanding, and finishing, our tabletops remain a solid 1.9 to 2.1 inches thick. A thicker tabletop takes more wood, more time, and more careful handling, but it gives the final piece the weight, strength, and presence customers can truly feel. For added stability, we reinforce our round and square tabletops from 29 inches and up with C-channels. Rectangular tabletops from 48 inches by 30 inches and up receive the same structural support, helping larger pieces stay solid, balanced, and built to last. And real natural wood has weight. To us, that weight is not a problem. It is a sign of real density, real substance, and a tabletop made to feel solid in the home. A premium tabletop should not feel too delicate to use. It should be strong enough for daily life, substantial enough to trust, and beautiful enough to become part of the home. So when the thickness feels real, the weight feels honest, and the structure is supported with intention, you know it is more than just a tabletop. It is a piece made to feel worth every dollar. Lumbergran, crafted with real wood, real weight, and real intention.